Hey everybody, it's York. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. I apologize. The microphone's getting the best of me, as is my camera. We're in Italy right now, so I'm on vacation, kind of slapping something together. But Portugal has made some updates to the Golden Visa as it's going to go away. And before the legislation hits, I just want to make sure that you're aware of what the changes are going to be once they're published. So as they're saying here, there's a few things that will impact you. If you were in the application process for the Golden Visa, February 16th was a day that they were saying not going to take anything after February 16th. Well, that provision has gone away. So if you have applied and after February 16th, the application is still going to be good, provided you meet the criteria. And it's still going to be good for applying for the Golden Visa until this legislation is published, which could be any week now. So this is the middle of April at the making of this video. So if you're going to do it, you got to get on it and make decisions immediately. Now, the second piece, I'm going to try not to confuse you here, but as the Golden Visa goes away, there was a part of it that was entrepreneurial, meaning if you were able to get a business going and have 10 or more full-time jobs for Portuguese that would also qualify for the Golden Visa. Well, that's no longer going to be the case. But the D2 visa, which is a normal entrepreneur visa through Portugal, the difference between those two is that the Golden Visa, if you got it and you were starting a business, you only needed to be here 1 week a year, 7 days. The D2 entrepreneurial visa, 183 days or more, you had to be residing in Portugal. So a lot of people that wanted flexibility went for the Golden Visa as opposed to the D2. Well, current Golden Visa owners, if that's the right term, that upon renewal will be converted to a D2 visa, or if you're in the current application process right now for the Golden Visa to get it, it will actually become a D2 visa. So if you're still looking to move forward, the great thing about it is, again, if you had the Golden Visa or you're applying as a Golden Visa, you will only have to be in Portugal for 7 days. So that's only for people that are currently Golden Visa holders that are renewing, or people that have applied for the Golden Visa. If you're applying just for the D2 visa, it looks like you're still going to need to fulfill that 183-day requirement as it sits right now. And then lastly, there's still going to be a visa out there for cultural enrichment, meaning if you're going to, let's say, open a museum, you're going to renovate maybe a historical property and then turn it into some sort of a tourist place or some sort of, let's say, a wedding venue. If there's something of historical significance, you can do that. If you're going to do things like you're going to create a play or you're going to do something that has something to do with the arts and humanities, that's still going to be available, similar to the Golden Visa. The difficulty is there's like 6 or 7 different agencies that have to approve it. So the level of bureaucracy has gotten worse. And quite frankly, 10 years of the Golden Visa, I don't believe anybody took advantage of this cultural enrichment one. It was about 99% real estate that people were involved in. So I just wanted to get this information out to you because in the next week or two, probably by the end of April, Portugal will announce here's what's transitioning from Golden Visa to these other elements or other types of visas or opportunities. And as many of the subscribers are involved in Golden Visas, I just wanted to make sure that you are aware of it. So as always, thank you so much for watching the channel and enjoy your travels.